Hello YouTuber, welcome back to our channel. I hope you are good in your health. If you are new here, please like our channel and subscribe as well. Before starting today, we are going to discuss about 10 tried and tested ways to make money on YouTube in 2022. Have you ever wondered how your favorite YouTube creator make money from their videos? What if we told you if there are a bunch of ways to do this on YouTube? In this video, one-stop shop guide, we will share with you 10 tried and tested ways to help you start making money on YouTube. Number one method is how to make money on YouTube with ads. Advertising is the most common way for creators to earn money on YouTube. The YouTube Partner programs allows creators to monetize their channel in a number of ways. To set up your account for monetization, you will need to become a YouTube partner and create an AdSense account. To set up your AdSense account, simply follow these steps or go here and click sign up now. You can monetize more than one YouTube channel with the same AdSense account. YouTube accounts and you will setting up monetization features on each one. You will only need one AdSense account. In order to qualify for the YouTube Partner Program, we will need at least 1000 subscribers and at least 4000 hours of watch time in the past 12 months. To check whether you are eligible for the YouTube Partner Program, select on YouTube Studio from the drop down menu. Click on Monetization on the right hand panel to see whether you have met the eligibility criteria. Payment. YouTube pays creators according to the number of ads watched and not the number of time they watch their video. You will start getting paid as soon as you are accepted as a YouTube partner. If you had rather watch a video on YouTube payments, check this out. For example, if you have 10k views at $1 per thousand, you will have earned $10 but will only receive $5.5 in your AdSense account. The reason why it is so difficult to talk about average income when referring to your YouTube is because it depends on a number of factors. Location of your viewers. Creator in the US command the highest ad rates. Time of year. Ad rates skyrocket from November to December and drop in January. Type of content. Finance, video, and tech product reviews are usually highly paid. Video length. YouTube allows creators to include a second ad after 8 minutes, which has led to many creators being able to double their revenue on longer videos. Target video. While these factors will contribute to your best rate, how much money you can earn on YouTube is largely dependent on number of views your videos receive. Number two method is how to make money using YouTube Premium. YouTube Premium is a subscription service that offers users access to exclusive content and ad-free viewing. The basis of revenue on YouTube Premium is based on watch time. Watch time is the total amount of time in aggregate that viewers spend watching your videos. For example, if one channel receives a higher watch time than another, it gets a larger chunk of the money. YouTube for a share of watch time. However, premium numbers can also be download your videos to watch offline on mobile and play them in the background, which can help substantially increase your watch time. You receive 55% share from YouTube subscription revenue. The third method is how to make money on YouTube through fan funding. Your audience are your biggest champions. Whether you have a large following or a small number of highly engaged subscribers, getting your fans to support you can be a fantastic way to bring in some money. Channel membership. Channel membership let reviews support your channel through monthly payment in exchange for a number of only perks. YouTube allows you to set up to 5 levels of membership and add a custom perk at each level. This can include members, live stream, community posts, as well as custom channel badges and emojis. For example, popular YouTube price charming offers viewers the opportunity to support his channel from his as little as $2.99. Super chats. If you are a gamer or live streamer, super chat is one of the best available option for you to make money off YouTube. Live streaming and make their command more visible. Comments are highlighted in vibrant colors, red, green, or blue, and include the donor's name and how much money they have spent. Super thanks is similar to super chats but allow fans to donate the video, not just like stream. The feature allows viewers to thank creators for their voice by clicking on a heart emoji next to video. The D is fan funding. Fan funding platform allow users who appreciate your content to support your work through one-time or monthly donations. Recurring donation from even a small number of fans can provide you with a steady additional income. Number 4 method is how to make money on YouTube by partnering with brand for sponsored content. Brands are investing more of their marketing budgets are influencer marketing targeting YouTube creator with a loyal following. This creates massive opportunity for creators, especially as YouTube is the highest paid platform for brand partnership. The fifth method is how to make money on YouTube video through affiliate marketing. If you are looking for ways to make money on YouTube video, you can ignore the earning potential affiliate marketing brings to the table. Affiliate marketing is when a creator like you earns a commission for makers company products. Each affiliate is given a custom link through which their audience can purchase featured products or services. The sixth method how to make money on YouTube selling merchandise, digital products or services. Selling a products or services that are relevant to your audience is a great way to make an income from YouTube. If you have a smaller audience, advertise custom t-shirts, ebooks and other digital products can become a significant revenue stream that is not dependent on millions of views. The second method how to make money with music on YouTube content ID. If you are interested in knowing how to make money signing on YouTube or creating your own music or a content ID should help you multiply your revenue. How to make money on YouTube with product reviews. Software and tech products are the most common types of product reviews around probably because they are also the ones that make the most money. How to make money on YouTube without showing your face. If you have want to learn how to make money on YouTube but you are camera shy, do not be discouraged. There is a ton of ways to make videos here without having to show your face. How to make money on YouTube without making videos. Let's face it, creating high quality videos that can at the level of support you will need to monetize then is not easy. Instead, think about creating compilation video. Creating video is an on in demand that YouTuber who create compilation video can have millions of subscribers and views. Win Compilation has a channel with over 10,000, 100,000 subscribers just from creating great videos that is best of series. Wrapping up, YouTube as a platform is ever growing and now you have 10 different ways you can leverage it to make money of it. Remember you have your YouTuber channel can be monetized even if you do not have millions of subscribers. Your earning potential is not only determined by the number of subscribers and viewers you have but also engage levels, your niche and the revenue channel you explore. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.